I'm going to show you how to replace a screen in an Acer Aspire E1-522 Series laptop. First thing you want to do is remove your battery from the system. If you take a look here, you have one screw here for the back and another screw right here. That is the only screws that are on the front panel of this laptop. So we're going to take out the two screws. There's usually a plastic cover over them, but the previous owner removed them. So, set them aside. I got them right here next to the battery. Now when you flip open the laptop, basically what you want to do is look for any screw holes. Usually they're under little plastic things. This laptop doesn't have any. So next thing you want to do is you can use your fingers for this laptop. Just pull apart the plastic bezel. It's easiest, I find, up at the top. And just work your way around, sliding your finger across to remove the plastic. Now the place you want to be most careful is right here at the hinges, because it wraps around. You want to make sure that you basically lift straight up with the screen tilted as far back as possible. And that's going to make sure that you don't bend or break it. There we go. And this side here. And you can just set that aside. Now looking at the screen, we have got one screw in each corner. You just have to remove them. Don't lose your screws. And now you can lift the panel out and just fold it forward like you were closing it. Now you have your 30-pin video connector. There's usually a piece of tape over it. And if you pull that away, just disconnect it. And that's all there is holding that in. Not sure you can see how broken that display was. LEDs are still good in it, so if you feel like ripping it apart for some LEDs, it's not like a cold cathode. And I got my replacement screen from laptopscreen.com, and it got here very quickly. Here it is here, packed pretty well. So you're just going to lay this down like you did before. Connect your 30-pin screen back in. Just take a close look and make sure it's in there correctly. Just going to put another piece of tape over it because, of course, we cut the original one, so just a little piece of Super 33 electrical tape. And that'll prevent it from coming apart later on. I had one more screw. Where did that one go? There it goes. Flip your hinge and set it back in place. See, it's got a protector on it. And then, as they say, installation is the opposite of disassembly. I hate people that say that. Beep, beep. just make sure this cable here sticks down. And we got their protective sheet. We're going to take that off. And then place this back on. So when I reinstall this, I'm going to go straight down next to the bezel. And she should go in. And then firmly press all the way around. That should be it. Here, off. And then we have our 2 screws. Oh, just not fully pressed here. I can put some black tape over that and protect it. Reinstall our battery. And fire it up. Here we go. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. That was easy.